Okay, we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo today. Now this one has a protective sleeve on it, and the label says Sons of Anarchy. It's the normal Zippo black box with the Sons of Anarchy label on it. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. There is the Sons of Anarchy Mayhem Incorporated lighter. And it does have a semi-collectible insert with the Sons of Anarchy logo on it. Now, this is on a street chrome case, and it was made in, looks like B of 18, February of this year. Pretty good stampings. Real good sound with a steel insert. Let's do a drop test on these Sons of Anarchy. So the Sons passed the drop test. So that is a pretty good example of a novelty Zippo, and definitely needs some cowbell. Knuckle bomb.